सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 103, Shloka 21. हृष्यत्येको मणिं लब्ध्वा क्रुध्यत्यन्यो ह्यलाभतः पश्यत्येव विरक्तोऽत्र न हृष्यति न कुप्यति. We are seeing the Ishvara Srishtadvaitam and Jiva Srishtadvaitam topic. Vidyaranya completed the Ishvara Srishtadvaitam. Now he is dealing with Jiva Srishtadvaitam. By the desires of the human beings, that Ishvara creates this universe. The universe is created. The bodies are given to the jivas because of their own karma phalam. Since Bhagavan is so compassionate and Bhagavan is so powerful, omniscient, such God can create a beautiful universe. Being a powerful, omnipotent, omniscient Lord, He can create a powerful, flawless creation. A creation without defects He can create if He Himself is the cause of this creation. Such a compassionate God, such a powerful God, why Bhagavan creates this universe like this with so many defects, if you ask? Even though Bhagavan is compassionate, even though Bhagavan is omnipotent, even though Bhagavan is omnipresent, Bhagavan cannot create as He likes. If He likes, He would have created beautiful universe. But He has no such a choice to create as He likes. Then what is the criterion for this creation which is with pleasure and pain, mixed with sorrow and joy? For that only one answer. What is that answer? He is the only contractor. We are the only desirers. We asked for the design, our life design, not house design. Our life design. We have planned, we have designed by our own sankalpas, by our own desires. Therefore, according to that, Bhagavan has to create. According to that, Bhagavan has to give body. According to that, Bhagavan has to give in-laws. According to that, Bhagavan has to give neighbors. According to that, Bhagavan has to give that shadow, rain shadow region. Chennai. All over floods, but no rain in Chennai. Because we have asked. So therefore, Bhagavan is safe. We are only is the one after entering the house body in the world, we are suffering. Now, having understood this, Jiva Srishta Dvaitam. What Vidyaranya want to say, as Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam, objects are same, but they are all differently appearing differently to different jivas. Ishvara Srishta Dvaitamla objects are same. One object he took for a sample. What is that? Money. Money example, diamond. There are so many diamonds, Navaratnams are there, no? Vajra, Vaidhurya, Manikya, Padmaraga, Pushparaga, Marakata, Gomedha, Neela, and the Navaratnas. All are called diamonds. Mukta, Vedakodadu, Koda. So, all of them, put one type of diamond we take. That diamond, as Ishvara Srishtam, it is same. It is same. Its color, its size, everything is same. But when a person want to buy, he went to buy that, and two persons are standing to buy. Okay. And before this person is buying, that person already bought. Both of them want to get. Only one person can get. So one diamond, exactly what they like. There are many. But that particular diamond, I want. He thought, okay, let him see, afterwards I will buy. He doesn't know that same diamond he also likes. So he bought. And he is Hrishyati. This person is so happy. I got, this is the diamond I am searching for a long time. This is the diamond I am searching for a long time. Why he is searching for, one numerologist said, see, according to your name, he has already changed his letters, name letters, according to numerology. The spellings all they will change according to numerology. Apda you will get a success in your business. Therefore he asked again, that numerologist said, you wear that diamond. Then you will get a lot of money in your business. And he is searching for that diamond. And he got it now. What is his mental condition? Hrishyati. The same problem with other person also. He is also searching for many years for that. Because he went to another numerologist. Maybe same nakshatram, I don't know. So, that diamond is not available for this person. What happens? Kupyati. He is so frustrated. Alabhataha krudhyataha. 21 sloka, first line. Krudhyati anyaha hi alabhataha. Because he didn't get that diamond, therefore krudhyati, anger, angry. One person manim labdhva hrishyati. Another person manim labdhva, by getting that money, emerald. By getting that emerald, what he does? Hrishyati, very joy. The time, the moment he wore that, and his business is just flourishing like anything. Runner-up, winner-up madri, they keep the cup there before getting that Wimbledon cup, edo cup. So one person, the winners get the cup. Cup is same. Winner is so happy by getting the cup. The runner is also runner, but no cup. Sakrudhyate. That cup is Ishvara Srishtam. Because of his desire, this one person is happy because he got the cup and he jumping up and down. One person is just hitting the floor, angry. One cup causes two emotions in two persons. Same cup. So it is cup fault or the person's mind tendency or nature. What is the cause? Not the cup. That is Ishvara Shrishtam. The cup is causing the pain in one person is because of Jiva Shrishtam. The cup is causing joy in one mind because that is also Jiva Shrishti. That's what he says. Rishyati ekaha manim labdhva krujyati anyaha hi alabdhva. Manim alabdhva. You have to supply. Manim alabdhva. What about our third person? Viraktaha. Ivaniki mani ki normal stone ki difference theriyadu. Mani ki normal stone ki difference theriyadu. Viraktaha. Why? Already burglary is happening lot of places and they kill also. Now we are seeing in Chennai, no? They just enter and take everything. They leave the people okay. They are not leaving people also. Olden days, thieves come and just they tie the people and they go away. Take the money and go away. அந்த காலத்தில் இந்த காலத்தில் எப்படின்னா ஆளுன்னு கூட அவுட் பண்ணி they take out. So this person is viraktaha. I don't want this problem of thieves. Therefore, viraktaha. Viraktaha pashyati eva. Na hrishyati na kupyati. என்ன புரியுறது இல்லை உங்களுக்கு? It's very, very nice. Another examples, many more examples we can take. Many more examples. Now you all here, who are all here, you all like some stotrams, some classical music, nice Rudram chanting, some Upanishadic chanting, நல்ல ஒரு பக்திக்கு சம்பந்தமானதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கும். You ask your son or daughter, what they keep? Rock. Rock வேணும் to shake. To shake they want to rock. They want to rock and they keep that music which creates palpitation in this mommy. The one who likes classical music. Music season wait. She's waiting. She loves classical music. But the grandson or son, if you see, they like only that music. They hate this music, classical music. She loves the classical, she hates that music. What to do? There is another person, deaf. அவனுக்கு கிளாசிக்கல்னு தெரியாது, வெஸ்டர்னு தெரியாது, ரெண்டுமே புரியாது. So therefore he is deaf tone, deaf to music. So no problem. So these are all Jiva Srishtam. புரியுறதா இப்போ? வாட் யூ மீன் பை ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி சுவாமின்னு இதெல்லாம் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னாதான் உங்களுக்கு புரியும். We are all living from morning to till night until our sleep. We are all living in Jiva Srishtadvaita with our likes and dislikes. None of us are enjoying the Ishvara Srishtadvaitam. Therefore, a neutral person, udasinaha, neutral viraktaha, there is no ecstasy, there is no depression, nothing. Let us read the next shloka. Up to here, we saw in the last class. Priyo priyamupekshascha ityakara manigastrayah सृष्टा जीवैरीश सृष्टम् रूपं साधारणं त्रिषु. Same idea, he continues. Priyaha, apriyaha, upekshaha cha. One person is hrishyati, one person krudhyati. He is putting in other words. The one who hrishyati, because he is priyaha, it is likable. Likable objects. First one, attribute created by the first jiva. Same object. Same object. Same object, and not only money. You take any other object. One object is so likable, favorable, nice to have it. So that is called priyaha. Another person looks at that object, apriyaha. Apriyaha, unlikable, unfavorable, hateable. No. I hate it. Apriyaha. Third type of person looks at that object as upekshaha. Neither priyam nor apriyam. That object is not likable, not unlikable. Not favorable, not unfavorable. If you write a list, what are all you like? What are all you don't like? And ask your wife or husband. They write ulta. Whatever you wrote, all unlikable, they write in likable. இப்படிப்பட்ட ஜாத்தகம் எதுக்கு வந்தது? Write like that. You ask other person in the family, third person, they write neither this nor that. Like that third person. You saw an article yesterday to see a boy, a jatakam. Now another new method is coming. What is that method? Get the hair of that person. Hair, not full hair also, only your tip, very very small part. And the hair you put in the computer. அது ஏதோ இருக்கும் இருக்கு சிஸ்டம். இந்த கம்ப்யூட்டரில் போட்டால் it shows everything. Whether this person will continue the same girl lifelong or this person will go away or this person is having any bad habits. Everything அந்த ஒரு ஹெயர் சொல்லுவான் ஜாத்தகம், whole ஜாத்தகம். In Australia somewhere they have found this. It is going to come, nijama. It is going to come. Be careful, all of you, okay? That type of jatakam. So if you likes and dislikes, you write a list. Many what you like, other partner may not like. What they like, you may not like. Priya, apriya. Galore. Why like this and that? Why no? And it's like that. No. இவருக்கு ஸ்ட்ராங் காஃபி பிடிக்கும், அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு ஸ்ட்ராங் டீ பிடிக்கும். இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறதுன்னா ரெண்டும் பண்ணணும் வீட்டில். மாமியாருக்கு வேற கஷாயமும் வேணும். ஸோ ஹவு மெனி ஒருத்தருக்கு ஹார்லிக்ஸ், ஒருத்தருக்கு காம்ப்ளான், ஒருத்தருக்கு பூஸ்ட்டு, ஒருத்தருக்கேமோ என்னமோ பண்ணணும். அத்தனை இருக்கும் வீட்டில். எல்லாம் ஒரு சாப்பிடக்கூடாதோ. இது வந்து சின்ன பையனுக்கு, அது வந்து பெரிய பையனுக்கு, அவர் வந்து வீட்டுக்காரனுக்கு, இது மாமியாருக்கு, இது வந்து மாமனாருக்கு. அப்போ உனக்கு என்ன, எனக்கு வேறு என்ன? 6 பேர் இருந்தால் 6 வெரைட்டிஸ். ஏம்மா அவ்வளோதான். அதுதான் தட் இஸ் வாட் ஜீவ சிருஷ்டத்வைத்தம். நம்ம கிச்சனில் பார்த்தாலே தெரியும் ஜீவ சிருஷ்டத்வைத்தம் என்னன்னு. ஓகே. பிரிய அப்பிரிய உபேக்ஷ இது ஆகாரா மணிகாஸ்திரயः. அந்த மணி த்ரயः, த்ரயः means 3 types of attributes. One person has got liking, another person has got disliking, another person is neither like or dislike. त्रयः मणिगाः मणौ वर्तमानाः मणिगाः. These 3, this diamond is very nice attribute. Number 1, by one jiva. Another jiva, this diamond is not nice, unlikable. I cannot accept it. This is another attribute he superimposed upon the money. Second attribute by second jiva, second person. Third person, it is not either good or bad. Why unnecessarily? I don't want. Another person superimposed upeksha. Manigaha trayaha. Mano vartamanaha. In attributes. Three. They are three. But the Ishvara Srishta Mani, same color, same form, same weight, everything. But why these three attributes by three people? This is what Jiva Srishti. Ishvara Srishti Ekam, Jiva Srishti not Mudu, Anekam. Inga Trayaha. Srishta Jivaha. Jivaihi Srishtaha. These three are created by Jivas. Likeable, Priya, Apriya, Upeksha. Three are created by Jivaihi Srishtaha. What about Ishvara Srishti? Ishvara Srishta Rupam Sadharanam Trishu. Trishu, in these Jiva Srishta, three attributes upon which they are superimposing, which diamond, Sadharanam Trishu, in the mood attribute, ellame, that diamond which is created by Ishvara, there is no difference in that diamond which is created by Ishvara. While creating this diamond, Bhagavan will not plan, this diamond should be liked by some people, this diamond should be disliked by some people. Appadella nenichudha create panduvaranna Bhagavan. He never planned like that. That's why Bhagavan is so happy always. Bhagavan is prahasan. Why he is always smiling, Bhagavan is free from these disparities. That's why Bhagavan is so happy. That is why we are worshipping Bhagavan. Suppose he is also having. Avaru kuda namalla ishtloku varuvaru. Illaya? Namalla ishtloku varuvaru. Bhagavan cannot stand separately for worship. Now, this is the lot of Jiva Srishti. Sadharanam Trishu, Ishvara Srishta Rupam Sadharanam. There is no difference. If you take three diamonds, one diamond, one person is one type. But Ishvara Srishti is same. So you can understand easily. So, what is that Shankaracharya said in Bhagavad Gita Bhashyam? We saw Kame Pratibadhe Sati, Kame Pratibadhe Sati, Krodhaha Abhijayate. In last Bhashyam class we saw Jayato Vishayan Pumsaha Sangasteshu Pajayate Sangas Sanjayate Kamaha Kamat Krodho Bhijayate. Obstructed desire will be converted into anger. Kridhyati, Kupyati. Why obstructed? My mamiar obstructs me. Somebody obstructs me, I am very, very angry. Next shloka. 23. Bharya snushanananda cha yata matityanekadha pratiyogi dhiya yoshit vidyate na swarupatah. Another example he is giving. Previous example, one object, three people differently looking at. And now, many people looking at one woman with many relations. Take example of family, joint family. Idella joint family kada. In joint family, all brothers are together. 4, 5 brothers and their wives. And 4 brothers and 4 sisters also will be there. Nanandas, sister-in-laws. In joint family, they all stay together. And aunties, auntie husband, and tata brother, tata younger brother, elder brother, எல்லாமே ஒரே வீடு. எவ்வளோ பெருசாக இருக்கும் அந்த வீடு? Really it is in 5 grounds or 6 grounds இருக்கும். நம்ம இருக்கிறது 700 square feet அது வேறு. But they stay all in 7,000 square feet house, big house. Joint family. In that joint family, and the last younger brother got married. Once he got married, other 4 brothers have got married, 5th brother got married newly. And the woman has come. And he tied to her only. But only one person, male person tied. Then Mangala Sutra Dharana. 3 முடிச்சு போட்டாச்சு. அவர் மட்டும்தானே போட்டுனது. அவர் மூலமா எத்தனை ரிலேஷன்ஸ் வருது அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு. One woman, she became related to all members of the family in different ways. Main relation is only to one person, but all other relations automatically கட்டி மேளம் முடிச்ச உடனே எல்லாமே வந்துடும். What are they? He says, வித்யாரண்யா இது சன்னியாசி, அவருக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியும். என்ன சன்னியாசானாலும் கூட டிவோட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் கிரகஸ்தாஸ் தானே, அதனால நன்னா தெரியும். ஓகே, பாரியா, one woman, Yoshita means one woman. First she became related to her husband, she became bharya, wife. Then Snusha, she became daughter-in-law to his mother-in-law. To her mother-in-law, she became daughter-in-law. That means boy's mother became mother-in-law to that girl. Because of that, she became what? Snusha, means daughter-in-law. இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லவே வேண்டாம் நான். Snusha, bharya. These 2 are akaranta strilingam. Then Nananda. When she got married, she became sister-in-law. And a brother's husband's sister is there. From her standpoint, this girl become what? Nananda, sister-in-law. My brother's wife becomes what? Nananda, Anni. Okay. For that girl, this girl becomes Nananda. Yata. Yata means what? Husband's brother's wife. Urupadiya? Correct? Okay. Appa gnapam irukka. Okay. Husband's brother's wife. Yata. Co-sister-in-law. She got co-sister-in-law. And from that lady's standpoint, the woman is called co-sister-in-law. Okay, not over. Mata, after 1 year, Kutti vandachi. And she became, same woman became mother. So, அவருக்கு தெரியும் இதெல்லாம் இந்த மாதிரி சொன்னாதான் எல்லாரும் என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவான். How nicely you are enjoying. எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. ஓகே, அநேகதா, இன்னும் சொல்லலே போகலாம். இன்னும் அப்புறம் பாட்டி, அப்புறம் இதெல்லாம் வரும். ஓகே, therefore bharya, snusha, nananda, yata, mata iti anekadha. Many relations. Pratiyogi dhiya yoshit vidyate. Pratiyogi means here relation. From the standpoint of relation, Pratiyogi. Sambandha Pratiyogi. Sambandha, relation. All these Bharya, Snusha, Mata, Yata, all these are only from the standpoint of relation. From the standpoint of relation only. Therefore, Pratiyogi. How that relation comes? Dhiya. Dhiya means by their buddhi. There is no change in the woman. Okay. And the woman who entered the house, no change. Pitrujanya Karya, same. The birth she has taken from her parents as a woman, there no change in that. That is Ishvara Srishtam. Pitrujanya Karya, and the previous sloka we saw. In that Karyam there is no difference, but as a Bhogya, for these people, she differs. Pratiyogi Dhiya Yoshita Vidyate. The woman has different statuses. She has changed. Naswarupataha. She has not changed. Ade complexion, ade height, ade weight, same language, talking, everything. So, Swarupataha na vidyate. Pratiyogi dhiya vidyate parantu Swarupataha na vidyate. Understood clearly? Pratiyogi dhiya, by their sambandha, she has changed. Not Swarupataha. She is as it is, intact. When her father comes, she looks same. When her father comes, she looks as it is same. But her relations all come, Pratiyogi dhiya, relations comes, only changes. Next shloka. Nanu jnanani vidyantam akarastu na vidyate yoshidva pushyati shayah Dvapushyatishayah na drishto jivanirmitah na drishto jivanirmitah. First line, there is a correction. Vidyamtam akara, ka dirgham must be there. Akarastu. The dirgham is missing. Short ka is there, you write dirgham, long. Nanu, one objection here. One student is asking. What is the question? Objection is, see, Yoshit Pratiyogi Dhiya Vidyate, you are telling. This woman has changed, you are telling. அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது. Woman has not changed. Their perception, their cognition has changed. Jnanam, their mental perception has changed అని சொல்லணும். யோஷித்து வித்யதே అని சொல்லக்கூடாது అని சொல்றாரு. That is what objection here. Objection in the sense, question is asking. யோஷித்து வித்யதே, the woman has changed, you are telling. That is wrong expression. Yoshit vidyate, you should not say. Jnanani vidyate, you should say. The woman is not changing. What is changing? Their perception, their cognition, their jnanam towards that woman has changed. Like that only you have to say. Why woman has changed, you are telling. Nanu. You should not say like that. What you have to say? Jnanani vidyantam. Jnanani means what? Sister-in-law looks at her as sister-in-law, other sister-in-law, no? Brother's husband's sister looks at her in her mind. And husband looks at her in his mind. Same woman, but their jnanam, their idea, their concept, their cognition, their thinking, their knowledge only changing. Jnanani. Here jnanani is bahuvachanam. Why? Because many people, many relations, therefore bahuvachanam. Vidyantam, let them differ. Let them, their knowledge may differ about that woman. Knowledge means here what? She is my wife, angara jnanam. She is my sister-in-law, angara jnanam. She is my daughter-in-law, angara jnanam. She is my co-sister-in-law, angara jnanam. Let it change. Yoshita vidyate, you should not say. The woman has changed, you should not say. Jnanani vidyantam akarastu na vidyate. Akara, weight, complexion and all, na vidyate. It is not different. It is not different. There is no difference in akara. Same woman. Yoshid vapushya atisayaha na drishtaha. There is no any additional change in her form. Atishayaha means additional attributes. Additional attributes, na drishtaha. We have not seen any additional attributes. If there are any additional attributes different appearing, you can say Yoshitu vidyate. But there are no any additional attributes. Clear? Question clear? Okay. Atishayaha Yoshitu vapushi, in her body. Vapushi means what? In her body. It's a technical question. Yoshit vapushi atishayaha na drishtaha. There are no additional attributes in the body of that woman. Vapushi means in that body. Yoshita means stri, nari, woman. Na drishtaha. What? Jiva nirmitaha atishayaha, additional attributes. You said all are jiva nirmitam, Nananda, Bharya, Snusha, all are jiva nirmitam. You say jiva nirmitam, additional attributes, nothing you appear there. How can you say yoshit vidyate? How can you say the woman differs? That difference is because of jiva srishtam. Jiva nirmitaha atishayaha, additional attributes, na drishta, not appearing. Therefore, you should not say yoshit vidyate. What you have to say? Jnanani vidyante. You should say like that. Okay? Appadi sollanu. With the student's objection. Next shloka. Maivam mam samahi yoshite Kachidanya manomai Mam samaya abhedepi Vidyate hi manomai. Maivam. It is not so. Ma evam maivam. Now Vidyaranya giving reply. It is not so as you are thinking. As you are thinking what? Yoshit na vidyate jnanani eva vidyate, you are telling. May you understand, there are two women. He is telling. Mamsamaya manomai. Two women. Stula Shariram is there. Sukshma Shariram is there. Two bodies are there. Understand? I am talking from the standpoint of second body. Manomai. Look at the shloka. Mamsamayi yoshit kachit anya asti. Mamsamai. The woman made out of mamsam, flesh, blood, bones. Okay? What you are seeing in the mirror, your body, what is that? Mamsamai. See, whenever we listen certain facts, these are all bitter facts. Bitter. But fact only. We don't like to listen to bitter facts. Priyanchapi satyam chap anrutam bruyat annar. Edo solluva illaya. Satyam cha nanrutam bruyat. Priyancha satyam apriyam bruyat. Even though it is satyam, apriyama sollade and solluva. It is satyanda. It's flesh only. But don't say that. Don't say that. Adu madri mamsamayi yoshit kachit anya stri asti. Yoshit asti. Full stop. Then Manomayi yoshit anya asti. There is one more woman. In the same woman, one is mamsamayi, another is manomayi. Made out of mind. Then again full stop. Mamsamayi, adukapram yoshit asti. You have to supply. Mamsamayi yoshit asti. Kachit anya manomayi yoshit api asti. That supply. Then full stop. Over. Then next line. Mamsamayahi abhede api. The woman newly married who has come to that joint family, Mamsamayaha, that body which is nothing but flesh and bones, blood and bones, Mamsamayaha, that body, abhede api, even though there is no difference. Bhidyatehi manomayi. Yoshit. Vidyatehi manomayi yoshit. Manomayi yoshit means what? The woman created by their mind. Manomayi. That woman also is only one woman. How many? She also, Jiva Srishti. She is also creating what? Now I am a wife. She is thinking. One woman is thinking mentally in her mind, no change in her. And she is doing namaskara to one person. Husband, first namaskara. Oh, I am wife. For him. Then sister-in-law, elder sister-in-law suppose. She does namaskara. Oh, my sister-in-law. Thought has come. Same woman, no change. That thought has come. Then father-in-law, mother-in-law. Oh, I am daughter-in-law. Thought has come. These are all what Srishti? Manomayi Srishti. And brother-in-law's wife. Two ladies, brothers' wives. So brother-in-law's wife. Co-sister-in-law. Okay, Urpadi. And doing namaskara. Oh, I am co-sister-in-law to her. All these thoughts comes in Mamsa Shariram or Manomaya Shariram. 100 marks. Manomaya Sharira. That is why two bodies we have. Same Guru sitting here. One student looks at the teacher one way. According to their Manomaya. Mental projection. Manomayi. Very nice. Understand? Manomayi. Next shloka. Now he is not leaving. This Manomayi projection, the question I am presenting, then only you can understand the shloka. Let us read the shloka first. So I will tell you again objection. First objection, answer over. Now, second objection, this Manomayi mental projection is also possible when he is giving that situation exactly when it comes. Not all the time. Manomayi, the change is not all the time. Under certain circumstances only it comes. What are they? Bhranti swapna manorajyam smrutishvastu manomayam jagranmanena meyasya na manomayanteti chet. He says this mental projection is possible in Manomaya when the object is not directly available. When the object is not directly available, pratyakshama, then only the projection from the mind is possible. When object is not available at the time of Bhranti, exact vastu, when it is not available only, mental projection, mental creation, cognition, change, different types of jnanam is possible. Differently. What are those places in a Bhranti first? What is Bhranti? Rajju Sarpa Bhranti. When there is a twilight, Manda Andhakara, at that time, a person sees the rope as snake. There is a Bhranti. He is not able to see the rope exactly as rope. And the Bhranti kale eva sarpa adhyasa. Okay? Projection, mental projection is happening only at the time of Bhranti. Suppose he sees the rope as rope. Clearly. The snake and Bhranti varuma? Varad. Why pratyakshama rope theriyarade? Rope pratyakshama correcta theriyadum bodha and the sarpamangar Bhranti varum. That's the projection. My mental projection. What I see there? Snake I see. Why I see that? But I am not able to see the object, that rope. Bhranti kale jiva srishti sarpaha possible. Clear? Bhranti kale eva jiva srishta sarpaha bhati. When I am having a Bhranti, at that time I can superimpose snake upon the rope. Number 1, condition. Number 2, swapna. In dream also, we won't see any objects really. That time only mind can do lot of projections. Why? Because I don't see any real pratyaksha pramanam, no object is available. Therefore, in swapna, dream, my mind can project. In Bhranti, mind can project. In dream also, mind can project. Because there are no directly objects available. Number 3, manorajya. Imagination. Castles in the air. We can plan. There is a nice plot near the beach and a nice house I construct. And I go there and I relax. What is this manorajya? Nothing will happen. Suppose, manorajyam, you see from morning to till night, how many of us are in manorajyam? Yeah. This boy, imagine the girl should be like this, complexion, color, education, knowledge, all imagination. Of course, that girl also. Okay, she also. Mother-in-law sollave venda. Daughter-in-law should be like this, like this, like this. And she imagined so much. And as though she is coming and pressing her legs, she imagined. No daughter-in-law will press nowadays. Kaluthu press panna is better. Kaal press pannuvo pannadho ani. Chumma joke ka chol rahe. Those mother-in-laws don't afraid of daughter-in-laws. Chumma chol rahe joke ka. Konjam sirikkanam illiyo. So இந்த மாதிரி மனோராஜ்யம் பாவம் இமேஜின் பண்ணிட்டோமே. மனோராஜ்யம் அர்த்தராஜ்யம் எதுக்கு அர்த்தராஜ்யம் கேட்குற ஃபுல் ராஜ்யம் யூ கேன் ஆஸ்க். பீப்புள் திங்க் ஹவு மச் யூ வாண்ட். ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு 10,000 என்ன போகுது, 10,000 எதுக்கு 1 lakh திங்க் பண்ணலாமே. என்ன திங்க் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எதுக்கு தாரித்ரியம், பாவ தாரித்ரியம் எதுக்கு? அது மாதிரி மனோராஜ்யம்னா ப்ரொஜெக்ட் பண்ணலாம் இல்லையோ, பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, third one is மனோராஜ்யம். Fourth one is smriti, memory. The present that object is not there in front of me. I have to bring that object in my memory. I may project wrongly also. Memory and what I saw previously long before, now what comes in my memory. Last week what I heard Panchadashi. Nothing comes in my memory, comes wrongly also. Sometimes we don't know. Our memory is becoming poor, weaker and weaker and weaker day by day. And even it comes memory also. And whatever comes in, wrongly only it comes. That time I can project. At memorizing time also, I can project because exact vastu is not there in front of me. Possibility is there. What possibility? Mental manomai. That projection by the mind is possible. Bhranti samaye, swapna kale, manorajye, smritau. Possible. I can accept. When this kotta in the world, lady is in front of me, standing, who? Yoshit. See, Yoshit's 3 example only he has given. You can take Purusha also. Okay. You can take Purusha also, or you can take any object also. Any object. Only one sample kaha kudutharu. Okay. The Nananda, Mata, all are Rikaranta Strilingam. Adithik Madhila grammar. So, they are all Rikaranta Strilingam. Ella Strilinganda. So you can take Pumlingam also. Yata, Mata, Nananda, all are Rikaranta Strilingam. So, Bhranti Swapna Manorajya Smritau Eva Sambhavati. Natu, when that woman is standing in front of me straight away. Second line. Jagran Manena. That means Jagrat Pramana is available. This woman, they are looking at her, she is thinking I am wife of so and so, I am sister-in-law of so and so. Is it Jagrata Avastha or a dream? Jagrata Avastha. Jagran Manena. When Jagrat Pramana is directly available, this Manomai is not possible. Mental projection is not possible. Meyasya na manomayata iti chet. Meyasya means prameyasya. Object of sensory perception. Meyasya means prameyasya. Object of sensory perception. In Jagrata Avastha, in waking state. Are you awake to Panchadashi now? You are all awake in state, not in Swapna, Smriti, Manorajya or Bhranti. Okay. This is called Jagrat Pramanam. Jagrat Pramanena Prameyasya na Manomayata. There is no possibility of projection. Manomayata means a projection. Jiva Srishti. Manomayata is equal to what? Jiva Srishti is not possible. Wifehood, sister-in-lawhood, mother-in-lawhood, all these are only projection you are telling. Mental Manomayi, these are not possible when that she is available in Jagradavastha. Manomayata iti chet. Na Manomayata means no Jiva Srishti is possible. If I say so, what you can answer? It is only possible in Bhranti, Smriti, Manorajya and Swapna, not in Jagradavastha. When the person object is available here, that time no projection is happening. If I say so, what is your answer? For that answer. Next shloka. Vadam manetu meyena yogastyan vishayakritihi bhashyavartikakarabhyam ayamartha udiritah. Now Vidyaranya, taking the support of Shankaracharya's Bhashyam, not Bhashyam, Upadesa Sahasri, he is taking the support, and Vartikam of Sureshwaracharya, he is taking the support. This is called Advaita epistemology is coming now. Fully technical. We are entering that Advaita epistemology. You can talk about an internal mind projected world only when there is no external universe, is the Purvapakshis objection. What is that? You can talk about an internal mind projection. You can talk about an internal Manomayi projection when there is no external universe is available. External universe is not available when Jagrad world is not available. That time you can talk about internal world. How can you say so? Vidyaranya is going to say, I can say, Upadesa Sahasri, Vartikakara Sureshwaracharya also said, what they said, first, any object you see directly also, it comes in the form of vritti. Pushpa vritti. Pushpakara vritti. Vritti comes where? In the mind. Pushpa jnanam to come. Pushpa jnanam. This is a flower. This Pushpa jnanam to come, first what should come? Pushpa vritti must arise. Pushpa vritti, the thought flower, arise where? In the mind. Now this Pushpa jnanam to come, Pushpa vritti, flower thought to arise in the mind, we are in which avastha? Bhranti or Swapna? Or Manorajyam or Smriti? Jagradavastha. Therefore, let us listen in Jagradavastha only. Okay? Jiva Srishti happening in Jagradavastha only. That he is going to elaborate. Next class we will see. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.